Hello and welcome back to my channel Create with Lulu for another bullet journaling video. Today I'll be showing you how to make this really cute popcorn theme in your bullet journal. A special thing about today's video is it is in collaboration with Michaela Pen Pal. I will leave a link to her channel down in the description box below. Be sure to check it out if you haven't checked it out already and subscribe to help her grow. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I post 2 to 3 times a week, and let me know in the comments down below if you do subscribe because I would love to hear from you and chat with you guys. Go ahead, grab your journal and some markers, and we will get started with today's video. I'm going to start by first clipping down my page so it can't move around. Then I'm going to grab a red marker and we will start on the little popcorn box. So first you're just going to make 2 straight lines, a straight line at the bottom and a rounded corner at the top. Color that in and go every other section on the popcorn box. Then I'm going to take my yellow Crayola marker and go ahead and do a bunch of popcorn coming out of the popcorn box. So I'm just going to do like little cloud shapes and color them in. Once you have finished coloring in all of your popcorn, grab a black marker or whatever color you would like, and then go over the month that you are going to write on yours. Mine is May. This is a custom bullet journal for my friend. And then on all the downstrokes, I'm going to thicken it up to make it look like faux calligraphy. Then I'm going to take a white gel pen and go over all of my popcorn just for a little something extra. Now I'm taking a whitish marker and I'm coloring in every other of the stripes on the popcorn box. Moving on to the quote page now, I'm just going to do the same thing to the popcorn boxes that I did on the other side, but just in a smaller scale. Now I'm going to write the quote for this month, which is "What's poppin'?" and then I'm going to write that in cursive and then go over the downstrokes to make it thicker like faux calligraphy again. I'm going back to the May on the front cover page and just thickening my downstrokes again because the marker that I used before was kind of dying, so I'm just going to continue using this Tombow brush pen, just using the fine tip though. Now I'm going around the quote page just with a bunch of little lines just to add a little something else. I'm going over the little popcorns with a white gel pen again. Moving on to the calendar page now, I'm going to take the black Tombow brush pen and just go on all of my calendar boxes. And I like to rotate the journal just to make it easier for me to drag my hand in that straight line. And I'm pretty sure all of these boxes are 6x6 dots on the bullet journal. And I'm just going to write May again here at the top and just thicken the downstrokes again. And I'm going to write goals over here and then just put some white lines underneath it with that same white marker I used for the popcorn box, just for a little something else. And now I'm just going to draw 2 little popcorns the same way on either side of the word May on my monthly calendar. And now where I put a heavy downstroke, I'm also going to go over it in red. Now I'm going to number the calendar. And I'm just going to finish up the popcorn. Moving on to the next page now, we're going to do the habit tracker and the mood tracker. And for the mood tracker, I'm just doing a really simple mood tracker with 2 circles, and I just traced different size, I think, mugs for this. And then inside of that, I'm going to do the same little popcorn doodle, and then I'm just going to section this off into 31 sections for the month of May. Then I'm just going to do the same cursive mood tracker, heavy downstrokes again. Tracker page, and for this I'm going to do the same cursive hand lettering. And I'm just going to add 2 more cute little popcorn doodles on either side of the words habit tracker. Now I'm taking my very handy little habit tracker stamps. Remember, all the links for the supplies that I will be using are in the description box below. Be sure to check it out if you want to see all the supplies that I'm using. I'm just going to finish stamping this, and then I will highlight the top of them with a little yellow marker. Moving on to the next page now, we have our first weekly spread of May. It's really simple. I just split it into a bunch of little boxes, and then the center box has the word May, week 1, and a cute little popcorn doodle, and then down in the corner we also have a perfect little to-do list box. Moving on on to the second weekly spread now. It's just a simple line down the center and then one across the top and then a bunch just so I have 7 days of the week, and then I have a little section for next week, and I also have a really big long to-do list. Alrighty, that's all finished. Moving on to the next weekly spread. This one is much larger and it's longer days, so I'm just going to do straight lines across and section it off. I always like to have my weeks have 7 days. I don't like to combine the weekend if I can, so I did that, wrote week 3 and May, and then have a big section for a to-do list. Then I will be adding cute little popcorn doodles and then numbering each day. Moving on to the next weekly spread. It's really simple. Again, you're just going to do 2 straight lines down, and then you have a great notes or goals section on either side, and then you're going to bring your days towards the middle of the pages. And I also ended up splitting the bottom 2 in half just so I didn't have to make a whole new weekly spread for just 2 days at the end of May. So I'm just going to write May, notes, goals, and week 4, and then I'm going to add a little popcorn doodle and then spice it up a little bit more with some fun color. And of course, I had to forget something, so I forgot to put the days of the week on her monthly spread. So I just went back and stamped those real quick. And that is it for the setup. Now we have the awesome flip through. So I got this bullet journal at Michael's for $10, and it has 180 pages and is 120 GSM. First off, we have the cover page with a cute little "What's Poppin" quote. I love this popcorn theme. Then we have her monthly spread with her little goals section and her cute washi tape in the corners. Then we have her habit tracker and her mood tracker, which will be super fun to fill out. And then we have her first and second weekly spreads. I love these so much. And then we have the next weekly spread, which is bigger and kind of more long ways. And then we have the fourth and final weekly spread, which has the days more focused towards the center of the journal. So that is it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and watch this video right here. That would help me out a ton. See you in the next one. Bye.